ladies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to another video. Today I am going to be doing a video, a back to school affordable drugstore makeup tutorial for all my little ladies and gentlemen that don't have all that cash like I didn't have back in the days, and I still ain't got, that like to look cute but want it to be affordable. So I made this video so I can give y'all some ideas on what you can do for natural, easy, affordable back to school glam where it's not too much. The products that you're using are very affordable that you can get, and yeah, this is the look right here. So this look is very natural. It's very easy to accomplish. Anybody can do it. It's not hard at all. There's no lashes because who has time for lashes? I don't think anybody has time to put lashes on and don't even want to put eyelashes on so early in the morning. But yeah, if you want to see how I created this look, how I achieved it, then please keep watching and let's go ahead and get started. If you have not subscribed yet, go ahead and subscribe and join the family. Welcome if you're new, and hey ladies, if you're not new, welcome back as well. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so you can get notified every time I upload a video, so you won't miss out on anything, because I will be having some good content coming. So yeah, now let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start out with is the Garnier Skin Active Soothing Face Mist made with rose water, and you can, so just like that, it's like so refreshing. It doesn't really matter. Well, push it in with your beauty blender because this is a back to school tutorial, and trust me, you're not going to have no time to sit there and soak it in. And okay, so once that's pressed in, we're going to go in with primer, and I'm going to be using the Maybelline Baby Skin Primer. Like I said, everything is affordable and drugstore. So, because I know a lot of girls and guys that go to high school, middle school, whenever you start wearing makeup, you don't really have a lot of money to spend on high-end products. And I didn't. I had to steal my mom's makeup. And I wouldn't even use that much makeup. And then I had that moment where I would use the brown lip liner and like clear lip gloss. Like, yes, that was me. And I'm just gonna let you know right now, I'm gonna be using a lot of Rimmel London products because they are very affordable and it's a great, well, it's affordable and it's a great product. Like, it's good, so why not? So I'm gonna be going in with their foundation, and this is the Rimmel London Match Perfection 24-Hour Moisture. This is pore blurring. It has a pore blurring effect, so if you have a lot of pores, this is a good foundation for you. That extra coverage on your pores and really good smell. Okay, so I'm just gonna apply that like that with the brush, and this foundation is easy to blend out, so it's not gonna take that much time even if you do use a beauty blender. See how fast it's just pressing into the skin. This foundation is not full coverage. It's a light to medium coverage. Like this, the Milani one is really good, and it is a fuller coverage. And then also the Wet n Wild stick foundation is really good. Yeah, I know this is one of my favorites. I'm just not using it today, but it's also drugstore. So this is light coverage. If you like light coverage, this is a good foundation for you. If you don't like light coverage, then you might want to try the other foundations that I mentioned. Now for concealer, I'm going to be going in with the Rimmel London Stay Matte, and I did do a review on this one, so if you want to see that, go check it out. It's in my videos, and I will link it down below if you want to see that, so check it out. So I'm just gonna apply some under my eye. And I'm just gonna do a cross on my forehead because we live for my Lord and Savior. Okay, so I'm gonna add just a little bit more because I had to do something real quick and I feel like it kind of dried up. And then I'm gonna go in with my beauty blender and just blend that out. Don't let it sit that long. Go ahead and blend it out as soon as you apply it, because then you'll have more trouble blending it out if you let it sit there. I let it sit there for about 5 minutes because I had something to do. I'm going to use the Rimmel London Transparent Stay Matte Pressed Powder. And I'm just going to, this is in the shade Transparent, so it is going to work as a, a setting powder. So I'm just going to grab my beauty blender and I'm just going to rub it in there real quick. I'm just going to set my under eye. I'm just going to press it in to my under eye. Make sure we get all them creases because we don't want to crease during the day. Okay, so now I'm just going to set my entire face with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder, and this is in the shade 20 Light Medium. And just go set the rest of my face, but at the same time I'm going to be removing that translucent powder. So now I'm going to go ahead and do my brows, and I am going to be using the e.l.f. eyebrow kit, and it has a little bitty brush like this. I'm going to use this, and this does have the pomade and then it also has the powder. Regular brow gel brush, and then that mirror is too tiny. My brows, I did a very natural brow. I don't want them to be too boxy, too filled in, you know. So now I want to move on to bronzer, and I'm going to be using the Color Icon bronzer by Wet n Wild, and this is in the shade Bikini Contest, and it is very, very beautiful, very affordable, and it's a massive size for its price. So much. So you're just going to bronze up really quick. You don't want to do nothing too much. Don't go overboard on it. You know, you want to still look natural but very put together when you go to school. I'm going to use the Revolution Ultra Blush Palette and the shade, and this is the Golden Sugar 2 Rose Gold palette. And I'm going to use these two blushes right here mixed together. And this one you can actually get it at Ulta, so, and it's on the drugstore side. And it's very inexpensive. I believe I paid about $7 something for it, and that was like a while back, so I don't even know they have it. So you want to put some blush on to come to life, because you don't want to be looking dead. And then you also want to put some on your nose so you can have like that little sunburn effect, you know. Eyes, and I'm going to be using the Magnify Eyes Thunderstorm Edition by Rimmel London palette, and we're going to do something super simple right here. And this shade, it don't have a name, so we're just going to say the mauve shade right here. I'm going to pick it up on a MAC 234 brush, and I'm just going to place this all over my eyelid, all over, and I'm just going to place it all over the eyelid and then blend it into the crease and the transition area. And I'm going to drag it out to my outer corner. I'm just going to go and drag that under my waterline. Just like that. Ah, oh my. Never fails. So once that's done, I'm going to be grabbing this shade right here, which is like a yellow, greenish, iridescent kind of color. And I'm just going to apply that to my inner corner. Like, look how pretty that is. Just to make you look alive. Like, that is so pretty. Like, Rimmel London, what? Like, that's why I like their products, because they're very inexpensive and they are good quality. Okay, so that's all I'm going to do for the eyes. Now I'm just going to curl my lashes, and I'm going to be putting on some of this LA Colors Perfect Curve mascara. And I actually picked this mascara up at the Dollar General. I don't care. Girl, makeup is makeup. If you love it, you don't care where it's from. Because tell me, who is going to have time to apply their lashes? Unless you apply them at school. That's a different thing. But this is not get ready at school. This is a get ready before your ass is tardy to school. Once my mascara is applied, I like to go back on my curlers and go over them and just curl them one more time. Okay. Lashes are high up, just like my guard. Because you gotta have your guard up here in school, because people be trying to play people in school. They be trying to bully. The Wet n Wild highlighter powder, and this is in the shade Crown of My Canopy. I'm just gonna hold it. And I love this spray too, because this one is not like open wide, like it doesn't spray wide. It sprays like exactly where you want it to spray. So I'm just gonna go in with this, because you know you gotta be shining so everybody can see you from a mile away. From Rimmel London too. This is by Rimmel London. I think this is the Kate lipstick. It's the Lasting Finish by Kate lipstick, and this is in the shade Rosetto. And this is, I guess it was like a collab with Rimmel London, and I believe this is like a while back. This is a lipstick, and it's a nude lipstick. You can't ever go wrong with nude. Okay, so that is it for this look. I hope you did enjoy it. If you're going back to school, I wish you the best of luck. Have a great school year. I hope this year brings a lot of opportunities and blessings your way. I know my two daughters started, my little one started kindergarten and my oldest started 6th grade. It's so crazy to me how time has flew by and she's already a 6th grader. But I wish the best to all of y'all, and I hope y'all have a marvelous school year and nobody bullies y'all. And also don't be bullies, because you never know what that other person's situation is. And yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial. I hope it is super easy for y'all to do. All these products I did want to do them drugstore, because I know there's a lot of students that can't afford high-end products and they would prefer to have drugstore products where you can just walk in and get it. And yeah, because I know I'm like that. I don't really like ordering online. I'd rather get it that same day and just be able to walk into any store and the makeup be there. But yeah, I hope y'all enjoyed this. I hope y'all enjoyed this tutorial, and I will see you on my next video. Bye bye, ladies.